How to get a bigger penis. The penis enlargement tips hack. Men's uneasiness about penis size has generated a multi-million-pound worldwide industry in clinically problematic male improvement items. While numerous men stress their penis is excessively little, Inquire about demonstrates that most men's penises are ordinary and they needn't be concerned. Teacher Kevan Wylie, a sexual drug advisor, says men with concerns regarding their penis size ought to consider conversing with a well-being proficient before exploring different avenues regarding medicines, which are for the most part insufficient, costly and possibly hurtful. Numerous men who stress over the size of their penis for the most part have, generally speaking, self-perception issues, he says. What happens is that they will in general center their poor self-perception around their penis. Frequently, advising can have a genuine effect to the patient by structure confidence, revising misshaped C's about self-perception, and studying what makes individuals appealing. While you can't do a lot to securely expand your penis, there are a few things you can do to make you feel progressively sure about your body. Trim your pubic hair. A major hill of pubic hair can make your penis look littler than it is. Get thinner. A brew punch hanging over your penis can make your penis look littler. Get fit. Getting into shape won't just make you feel increasingly alluring, it could likewise improve your sexual coexistence. Educator Wylie evaluates the proof, viability and well-being of various sorts of penis-broadening items and medicines available. Non-careful medicines. Pills and creams. These items typically contain nutrients, minerals, herbs or hormones that guarantee to grow the penis. In spite of their noteworthy cases, there is positively no clinical proof that these items work, and some may even be unsafe. The College of Maryland in the U.S. completed an investigation on a portion of these and discovered hints of lead, pesticides, E. coli microorganisms and creature dung. They are a finished exercise in futility, says Educator Wylie. Pills and moisturizers have no demonstrated advantage. On the off chance that they were successful, they would be on special at scientific experts. Utilizing a moisturizer may enable a man to turn out to be increasingly acquainted with his penis, which a few men avoid. So salves can enable a man to turn out to be progressively all right with his penis, yet they surely won't make it any greater. Vacuum gadgets. Penis siphons include setting a cylinder over the penis and after that siphoning out the air to make a vacuum. The vacuum draws blood into the penis and makes it swell. Vacuum gadgets are now and again utilized in the momentary treatment of feebleness. Be that as it may, abusing a penis siphon can harm the tissue of the penis, prompting more fragile erections. There's next to no proof that these gadgets cause any noteworthy long-haul gain in size, says Educator Wylie. Utilizing a siphon for a couple of minutes daily will do nothing to expand penis size.